Once we have our menu created using HoloMIT SDK custom menu, we have here the menu controller that has automatic login manager script attached. This component has to have the name of the pilot that will be connecting after we log in and choose a type of representation. There is also a prefix to join an existing scene with the same name. If there is one scene with this same prefix, we will be connecting to that session, and if not, we will create one. Two other users can connect to this session. There is also a bunch of different game objects related to pipeline instantiation, core controller with essential scripts and components to manage different sessions. There is also a clock controller to manage the time and the different events that will be occurring in our session, the user manager and the session manager controller. There is also event manager that will be controlling the positions and the video that will be showing in the different sessions, and also the media manager that will be related to the audio and different type of media that we can share in our sessions. There is also a metrics manager related to debug and metrics analysis that we can connect to a different server to obtain these metrics, and also a self-representation preview that we can see ourselves and the type of representation that will be chosen, and a show preview. Here we can look it here. Now in this panel, if we don't have an account, we can register from here and join the server. But here we have our menu. Here we can choose our microphone to communicate with the other users in this scene. And here is all the representation types that we can choose in this menu. We can select, for example, 3D avatar and look it here in the self-representation preview. So we can choose a 2D video that will be showing our image from a type of camera selected here, and that will be done.